You asked, what should I check before accepting an aircon quote?
You sit at home, you want an air conditioning system, you've got 2 or 3 companies coming quoting for it, you now got all the quotes in front of you and you're trying to compare. And they're different brands, they're different units, and it's sometimes quite difficult to work out what's actually the best deal. So we've got a few things to tell you to ask the installer to find a way to compare apples with apples. The first one is everything removed from the site? For example, if you got a replacement of an older air conditioning, will they take the old air conditioning with them, or will you actually have to be responsible for it? Insist that all the rubbish, all the drilling, dust, everything is swept up and it's going with them. So first point is, look guys, if you install my system, after you leave, I want to look the site as clean and as neat as it did before. You take everything with it. Is that agreed, including the packaging, etc.? And you want to hear clear yes. That's one of the questions, okay? The other one is about the warranties. You want to really have in writing what type of warranty you get, how long. Be careful that you not just get a product warranty where the labor is excluded. You might have a 7-year warranty with one product and a 5 with the other, but the 7 years stops the labor to be included after year 3, let's say. So please find out in regards to your warranty if the labor is included and for how many years. That allows you to compare apples with apples. Also double check if you get a workmanship warranty, which is the warranty on the installation, as well as a product warranty, which is the warranty on the actual product. Find out when there is a problem, who do I call? This particular installer, is he also a service agent for that particular brand that he sold, which means the after-sales service can come from him. You're not dealing with another party again. Again, that's something to consider. I always like the people who initially installed it to be also the ones that can service it. So that's an important consideration when it comes to air conditioning. Do you have to pay a deposit before they come out? And what is it? It shouldn't be 50%. It should be 10, 20, maximum 30% when it comes to air conditioning. But then also, I think, to be fair, you would be expected to pay up pretty well clearly on the day of the install, or if it's a company that you've dealt with before, they might give you a little bit of a grace, but be prepared to pay fairly quickly after the install, because those companies work on low margin and their cash flow is always tight. So fair is fair.
Oh, that's fair enough with me.
When will it be installed? That's always a very important question, because some companies are very quick to give you a quote and lock you in, but you want to know the date or approximately time frame when you can get it installed, because sometimes, in the middle of summer, it is difficult to get a good date and a quick date. Make sure you get that information, and that can also be a reason why you go with one company versus another company. How much electricity costs would you expect for this system now to cost? Because air conditioning does add to your consumption in the house of electricity. You want the installer to give you a bit of an estimate based on the running cost and based on how much you expect the system to run. So let's say, look, I'm doing 2 hours a day on average. In summer, it's possibly on 15 days. So you can work out the kilowatt hours that you're likely to consume, and that way you get an idea of what it will add to the electricity bill. And some systems will use more than others in terms of their efficiency. So that again could be a consideration. So those are kind of, I suppose, the key points that I'd like to recommend to you to use when you're comparing air conditioning quotes.
Want more energy answered? Visit YourEnergyAnswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.